Hello everyone, in today's video, let's show you on how you can import Google Stitch design into your Figma right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through your Stitch. And in my case, to make things a lot simpler, I'm just going to copy this design right here or this simple sketch. You then want to click export, select Figma, and of course click convert. From there, it will now convert the sketch that it has made onto Figma. So therefore, we'll be able to basically just copy it onto our Figma design. So click copy once again. In here, design copy to the clipboard. So all we have to do is to navigate through a Figma design. Of course, you could create one if you want to, but in my case, I'm just going to open up one of my previous design right here. So you just want to press Ctrl V on your keyboard and the design will automatically be imported to Figma. So that's how easy it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.